Hi friends and viewers, welcome to Balnaji's YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Mutton Rezala, a very rich dish, and let's go into the preparation. It's a kind of mutton curry which is prepared in a unique style. So today we are going to see this, and for this I have took like almost 250 grams of mutton. Let me marinate the mutton first, and it has to sit for like almost 30 minutes. So first let's see the marination. I'm adding like 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt like required, then turmeric powder like a pinch, 3 tablespoons of yogurt. So let me mix it. Make sure the ginger garlic paste, yogurt and turmeric powder like mixed well. So this gives the tenderness to the meat. So once we mix it, let the meat sit for almost 30 minutes. Keep it aside. While that resting time, I'm going to show you what all the other ingredients we need for this preparation. This is like onion and green chilli paste. I have took shallots actually, the small onions, and it is like almost 8 numbers of onions and 2 big green chilli. Just I have pasted it. It's a raw onion, and like 1 tomato, big one, and sliced garlic, which is like around 3 to 4 cloves. And this is very important for this preparation. Cashew nut and poppy seeds. We can even add badam also, like almonds. So 4 pieces of cashews and 4 pieces of almonds with 1 spoon of poppy seeds for 250 grams of mutton. So this gives a good flavor as well as consistency for the gravy. And I have soaked it for almost 15 minutes. Now I am going to make the paste. This also. Apart from this, I need some whole spices. So let's go into the preparation. After 30 minutes of resting time, we have to pressure cook the mutton for 7 to 8 whistles. And now, in the meantime, let's start preparing the gravy. And one more thing, today I'm using the mud pot for preparing this mutton gravy, which is a very traditional method. And always, whenever we are preparing the non-vegetarian, I prefer this. First, I'm going to add all the temperings, which is a whole spices, that is of garam masala, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and little Sajeera. Instead of regular cumin seeds, I have added Sajeera, which gives a good flavor for the mutton. And once the whole garam masala gets infused in the hot oil, then we have to add the garlic slices, which is of 4 to 5 numbers, as I earlier said. Once the garlic gets cooked in the oil, then we need to add onion, that is a shallot, and green chilli paste. We have to cook this onion paste till it gets brown and the raw flavor goes off. So it takes at least 2 to 3 minutes. You see the color of the onion paste which we have added, it becomes almost brown, and the raw flavor of onion, you can feel it, it goes off. Now at this stage, I'm going to add all the powdered spices which we need for this preparation. I'm adding chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, then garam masala, 1 pinch, fennel seeds powder, 1 pinch, black pepper powder, 1 pinch, turmeric powder, half teaspoon. If we can add water at this stage. I have added little water along with this to avoid burning. Now our mutton, it has got cooked almost 80%. And don't throw this water, add the mutton along with this water. So by this stage we need to add the cashew, almonds and poppy seeds paste. You have to cook this for almost 10 minutes, and at this stage last we have to add the tomato paste. Cook for another 10 to 12 minutes till all the the tomatoes and the cashew flavor, raw flavor has to go off. Almost our mutton Rezala has become ready. And finally I am finishing up with the coriander leaves. It's a very rich gravy. You all need to try this, and let me know in my comment box how it has came. And I hope you like this video. It's a very unique style of mutton preparation, so please try it, and do subscribe for my channel. In the other session I will come out with another interesting recipe. Bye from Balnaji. Thank you.